Dazzle Dachshund, and I'll be your host of Webkinz and Stunt Show. We're back with our 4th episode. Today's contestants are Rags the Basset Hound, Little Santa the Reindeer, Logan the Pink Googles, Fudge the Brown Dog, Keith the St. Bernard, Allison the Raccoon, Bobby a Turtle, Lucy a Horse, Abby a Snake. Now please do not do these stunts at home. Now enjoy.
Peace Center Batman. With Mother's Day coming up, we want you to log on to Frequency 9.
Help, guys. Ouch, what? Everybody do it, garbage. Yes, I found yes. It's freaking me out! Oh gosh! Oh well, I can walk on this wall like ninja style. Ow, I feel really hyper! I'm spinning out of control! Spinning out of control! Spinning out of control! Bye! Hey guys, check it out. See, I think like if I put a magnet on me, then I might stick to the fridge. Let's see. Ow! Didn't work. Hi everyone, I'm King of Crime. Whee! Oh man, I just caught what's that? Thanks for watching Webkinz Stunt Show 4 by Darth Dachshund 36, and Bob 101.